Hello, welcome again to my channel. Thank you for open my video. My name is Sinta. How are you today? Today is Sunday. What will you cook for your family? What about me? Okay, I'm cooking finger chips, a chicken, KFC style. Are you ready? Me too. Anyway, before I start, I would like to say hello to all of my academy secretary school. How are you today, everybody? Are you stay home? Hello, Jakarta. Please listen your government, support them. Like I did here, support government of Vietnam. Almost 4 months, I stay home and didn't go anywhere, only go to the supermarket to buy the food. Anyway, I would like to say hello also to Kamis group. Hello my friend Kamis group, keep safe and healthy. I don't forget as well to Madam Rich, Oki, Sandra, Caca, Hilda, Dewi, Lia, Boy, how are you? Please come to my kitchen. Tralala. Join ya and cobain resepku. Makasih. Thank you. And another audience, thank you very much if you try my recipe for your lovely family. Lala. We start, okay? Okay guys, are you ready for start? Okay, so what is the ingredients? Actually, every time I cook something where the recipe is come from the company, I don't want only half recipe that I do. I try to make a similar to what they do. For the example, they provide the buttermilk. It's very difficult for Asian supermarket to get the buttermilk, but buttermilk you can make a homemade. I use the heavy milk. It means contain of fat a lot, and you can add in a vinegars or lemon. I use lemon because I like a natural one. Before that, the ingredients, the main ingredients is chicken. I slice it like a finger size, but not my finger, of course, my husband's fingers. And then 1 egg, seasoning with the 11 ingredients in my bowl, but I add 1 extra is chili powder. I put all together here. All dried one. I don't have a mustard powder, but I will use this, the cream one. I will not, actually I must put here, but I don't want become sticky. And I will put in the buttermilk. It's around half tablespoon. In this recipe we have a 2 section. One marinade, the other step is cooking. So I already put some from here to my egg, and I don't whisking or mix the egg when you try to mix with another ingredients like pepper, salt in the same bowl. Separate first and then you can put together. and then now you mix together. I will put on the screen what the ingredients are if I speak too fast, my English Asian accent, so for the rest Asian people maybe feel difficult to get me. Okay, and then I will wash one more time my hands, because I will use my hand to put it inside. Okay, and then I marinate. Maximum marinate is 60 minutes and minimum is 20 or 15. If your family hungry already, you can cook soon, don't let them wait. Make sure all covered by the buttermilk and some herbs. Okay, all covered. What will I do with the rest herbs? I will put in one big bowl with the flour. You can put in a multi-purpose flour. And I apply ingredients. Black pepper, white pepper, oregano, thyme, basil. I adding one more ingredients is chili powder because I like spicy. And then you should keep with the celery, salt, powder one, but you can make homemade like I do. I just buy the celery, dry it, and then blend it, and I put with salt. I will give you the ingredients on the screen. Okay, so it's like this. Salt, pepper also inside. Smells good. Smell very herbs. We wait for 20 minutes, the fastest one. Okay, I'll come back again. Okay guys, I just keep with buttermilk the chicken. I keep it inside the box. It's only 20 minutes because my son already ringing my bell. Hungry mommy, hungry mommy. So I pick up one. I lay down here. Sorry my friend, I use my hand. Now I will keep to the egg, the second other egg. On the stove, to warm up the stove, the frying pan, put the high heat. When you fry, put little bit down so it's not burn outside. I want inside and outside cook well done. Then one more time with the coating. Do gentle. I don't want the first ingredient off from the first coating. And then the second one, cover with the egg one more time. I know the egg is already in the buttermilk, but I want twice. That's the way they do, like this. And then one more time here. Don't forget which one twice way, already second way, and which one not yet. This one not yet. And then here, so 1, 2, 3 not yet. This is already, yeah. One more here. Eleven ingredients come from Kentucky Fried Chicken is with the monosodium glutamate. I don't want put MSG in my food. My family, from my mom until today, we didn't use any MSG. So all of the recipe in my YouTube channel non-MSG recipe. So I think time for fry. I make a chili sauce like this. I don't want using the butter one. It's only chili, garlic, salt, pepper, tomato. The frying time now. The cooking process. Look, my friends, what I cook. Delicious. Look, the coating. Your family will, what is this, mommy? My son already take 2 buckets, the second one, and I just start. Ooh. Dying for the fingertips. Oh. Thank you for watching. Absolutely must try the recipe. Nice, very good. Your husband will say, I love you, mommy. And your son say, mommy, you are the best mother in the world. That's my son too. Thank you for watching my video. See you again in the next episode. Maybe I'll cook a chicken again, but popcorn one. Looks similar, but different way. Ciao.